Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a collage of photos or videos in CapCut. So select new project, and you are going to either select photos or videos. I'm just going to select photos for mine just because I have more photos than videos here. I'm just going to select collage here at the very bottom instead of selecting add. So select it and select the type of collage you want. You can also change the ratio of it as well here. And once you're done, you're just going to select continue, and it's going to bring you to like the project. I think you can edit it one by one here, as you can see. You can add in like filters and stuff to like just one of the photos. But yeah, that is basically it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!